Okay, hello GameGuru people. I'm going to make a tutorial, a simple one, that explains how to transport, to get the old weapons we have in GameGuru Classic to the new GameGuru Max. It is not very difficult to do it. I find it myself. I ask here and there, and no one could really get me a straight answer, and I grab the thing by the horns and start to make some experiments, and I think I got it. Okay, I'm going to show you. It is not very difficult. Okay, first of all, you need to go to your old directory or GameGuru Classic directory and choose what weapon you want to put in the new Max. Okay, I'm going to. I have already put some guns, and but I'm going to make everything from scratch to you to see. Okay, I'm going to GameScore. Okay, files, GameCore. I have a lot of guns, but okay, guns. I'm going to enhanced weapons. I have where are they? Okay, enhanced urban. Okay, and then you must go to. I will choose one of these, and then you must go to your GameGuru Max directory. Let me show you. GameGuru Max. Okay, files. It's the same thing. GameScore. Okay, and guns. Okay, I just put my enhanced urban. It is the name I put in my folder. They are the same guns that the classic enhanced guns, but I just call them urban because I changed a bit, put some new guns in the HUD and so ever and so on. Okay, I just put two here, Makarov and subcompact Shizdenov. Okay, you go to your folder. Okay, where it is? I have a lot, and sometimes I lose myself in this lot of files. Okay, you just copy the whole directory, all files from the folder. You just copy to your new folder in Max directory. Okay, subfolders. I just copied. I don't want to copy again. I put here this Guru converter exe because I saw it in a tutorial that this file, who is in the beginning of the Max directory folders, here it is. I saw it that we could use this to transform to change the .x file to the .dbo file. I just put there, but I think the GameGuru Max do it already. Okay, let me go again, files and GameScore. Here it is. Okay, guns, and remember you must use your own directory, okay, your own folder. Don't mess around putting here, because if you have a lot of files you will in time lose yourself, okay. I just put another directory, another folder, and this is BSP old weapons. They work as well, but I'm going to use the enhanced weapons. Okay, once you put the directory, the files in your folder, use the same name, okay. You must do the same with the entity folder where we see the guns when we are in the engine, okay. This is not a very easy tutorial. It's for people who are in the medium level, not for the beginner user, because the beginner user will not understand a lot of things here, okay. This is for the medium user and advanced, okay. Games, let's go files, entity bank, and weapons pack in this case, okay. And here it is urban. All my, as you can see, they are the same weapons as the enhanced ones, but I just change them, okay. let me put a knife, okay, a knife here. Let me do this example, okay. Let's go back, GameGuru files, game score, guns, urban, and a knife, okay, M9 knife. Let's no, not the M9 knife. This bush knife, okay. Let's try this bush knife. The name is I put the name in Portuguese, faca de mato, bush knife. It's the same. Okay, let me find, where is faca de mato, where the heck is the faca de mato? Let me see it again. It's F. Okay, here it is. Okay. I'm going to put faca de mato, as you can see. Okay. Then I don't need this anymore. Then I'm going to open another folder in Max. Okay, guns, and I'm going to enhance, because we need to get the file where it is. Let me show you. Okay, I think this is the knife. This is the knife. Yes, we need this gun spec. Okay, close all. We need this gun spec to change our hold gun spec to this one, okay. Okay, let's go to our guns, enhanced urban, faca de mato, okay. The first thing we must do is change the, let me, okay. I always put some files with source files, some t files, some text files with the source, where I find the source of the weapons. If it is a free source, I will always put here, because later I will grab this link and mention the author in the site, or just send the game to the guy. Okay, then I don't need this any now, because we are doing another thing. Okay, this is our old gun spec. Okay, bush knife, it's the name I put here, and I will copy and put in the in this new file. Don't save it, because we are going to grab all this information and put in our old file. Okay, as you can see, it is everything is the same. Okay, everything is the same. Okay, I just changed the name here. Okay, copy, go to our old one. Okay, and paste it. Okay, and save it. Do not save your be careful with this. Do not save your original file. Okay. Okay, we have already our gun spec with the same information as the original file in GameGuru. Okay. Well, it is the first time I'm doing this bush knife. I do it already with the guns, but with the knife it is the first time. Let us see if it works or not. Okay. Then we need to go to, like we have here, this we need to go to entity bank in Max and do the same. Okay. Well, where it is, entity. I use the user folder. Okay, I use the user folder. I created a folder named weapons and the next urban. Okay, just not to mess around with the Max structure. Okay, and now I'm going to put the bush knife here. Okay, it's the same as the older one. Okay, as the older engine. Just copy to here. Okay, then open, and now we must change this information. Okay, to this is, no, I don't need anymore that file. We need to change this information to the newest directory. Okay, I hope sorry, I hope I'm clear in this. I don't need this anymore, and let's go. We need this, and we need this. Okay, it is to find the directory. Okay, we are in GameGuru Max. Okay, just copy this. Okay, and then then go here and change it. Okay, the name is the same. Okay, the name is the same. The name is the same. No problem. The name is the same. I will do it. The name is the same. Okay. I will do it anyway. The name is the same. I did not change the name. I did not change the name of the directory, because in this I changed the name of the directories in the guns. Okay, I hope this will work. Okay, I have the file here, the color file of the gun, and the the X file of the knife when we have the knife in the ground to pick up. Okay, let's hope this works. Okay, if not, I will come here again and change some things. Now I will open GameGuru Max. Okay, no, not here. I have a busy desktop. Okay, let me update Steam. Okay. Okay. And I am doing this in my old computer, and Max is very good at the moment because this is a Intel Pentium 5 with a very basic graphic card, a 1030 NVIDIA graphic card, nothing to do with my game computer, who is a newest one, computer for games with a decent graphic card. But this is an old one. This is my work computer. I don't need any better for my work. But I'm using this to show you that Max is very good at the moment because it works well with an old computer. I'm going to launch. Well, not entirely well. It's not a fast computer because it is an old one with a very basic graphic card. But Max work almost perfectly in here. I already put a I don't know if you one click or 2 clicks. Okay, I think it's 2 clicks. Okay, I just create an empty level. Okay, it's just a thing I put here to see. Okay, let us try heads. User. Oh, here it is. We need to go to user, weapons, but Max already put the knife in here. Okay. Okay. Let us try. Okay, here it is, the knife. Pick up. The name is the same name we put in the gun spec file, and nothing. Okay, nothing. In that case, I'm going to erase we are where? GameGuru Max. I'm going to erase the old HUD. If it is anyone here, let me see. No, we don't have anyone. Now let us use that. Let's use this. Maybe this will help. Okay, because in the tutorial the guy said that you will create an DBO file. Some error, but let us see. No, didn't make anything. Why the heck? Why the heck? Why the heck? Okay. Something is missing here. Don't know. Well, let's try to open Max again. Maybe Max will loot, because I guarantee that this thing work well with the pistol handguns.
GameGuru Max. Dream it. Build it.
Don't care about this. Don't need it. Well, if something is missing here from my part, you guys maybe can see it and fix it and put another tutorial to help me and other guys to put the old weapons in this Max, because it is not a difficult thing to do. Oh, maybe it's this. Maybe it's this. Maybe it's this. Maybe it's this. Let me see. Gun spec. Let me see if I have some information about the DDS. No. Push knife. Wait a moment. Okay. Let's do it again to have to sure that we are doing the correct thing. Okay. Okay, and maybe is this the problem? Maybe is this the problem? Maybe. Let's see. Let us see. No, don't know what I am doing here wrong, but I will show you a pistol that I just do the same. Some problem with the focus. Well, oh, it's a little bit difficult to erase stuff in here. Okay, as you can see, it is working. Okay, somehow in this situation all worked and not here. Okay, this is the color of the weapon in the ground, so I must put this again, and I don't know why the heck is not doing a HUD DBO, because I swear it just put a HUD DBO here, and I didn't bring any HUD DBO from the old GameGuru Classic. Okay, here it is, HUD DBO. Well, let me see. Okay, Makarov. Makarov 2. Let me see in the no. Okay, this is the gun spec. Let us see if there is something wrong with the gun spec. Okay, let us see, it's the same because we have VR support. This is the new stuff. Maybe we are in the bush knife. Fire, damage, bullets. No, this is visuals. Okay, I didn't put anything here because this file don't need. Okay, the same here. Okay, I comment this one. Let me see. But I don't have anything. This file don't have the VWIP text. We don't use VWIP here. No weapons for the NPCs. VWIP is for that kind of texture. Very strange. Why the heck? Okay, this OGG, but OGG or OGG, I don't know what is the right pronunciation. But I have that here. Let me put by type and by type. I don't need this. This is the converter. I don't know if it is if I must do a line of code to no, the HUD is here, and the program should do the HUD.dbo. Don't know why he is not doing that, even with this converter here. Okay, let's try again. And if it is not working, I just did my best to explain you, and maybe you guys can understand and see what is the problem here, and then make an upgrade. Upgrade video to explain what is the problem here, because again, just work with the other guns. Okay, I'm going to put the other guns here. Let's put weapons here and heads the knife, and even the I even put the old BSP weapon here. I had some problems with, I forgot to, it was the first experiment that I do it, and I forgot to put some files in the directory. It works, but there is no weapon to show here. But okay, as you can see, it works. It's the same process. Okay, let me. It's the same process. Oh, you just click and grab. Okay, I'm not used to work with Max. try this one. As you can see, works as well. This is just an old asset that I just put in the directory, user folder, to see how the Max handle the stuff, and we can clearly see that these are very low res maps. We need use better maps for Max. Max is very different from Classic. Okay, it works, and no, and I do not understand why. Don't understand why. We are in the let me see everything by the beginning. Max, guns, and nice turban. Okay. Uppercase or lowercase, it's not the problem. Okay. Okay. Can spec. Push knife. This is just a name, no problem here. Enhanced weapon pack, mesh. This is commentated, that no problem here. Able to fire. No, there is nothing here who can enable the file to work. The texture, no, because this is multiple textures. Sorry, I didn't saw it. Let's start. Okay, I'm going to save it. I don't want that old castle here. Okay, let's launch. But as you can see, here in the Makarov pistol, okay, enhanced urban Makarov, and the color, and in the directory everything is here. Okay, this is files that we don't need for now. I don't need for now these files, but it is the weapon color map, the gun color map, the hands color map, everything by the book, and here it is working and the other it is not. Don't understand why. Something is missing here. I don't understand why. Let's try again. I don't want that. I want this. Okay, nothing. The HUD is here, but the DBO is missing. Okay, it's something about the DBO file. We don't have DBO file. I thought this converter will be able to change, but something is not right here. Runtime error. Don't understand why. I'm going to remove this from here. I'm going to use the file. Maybe maybe in the root he can find anything. No, don't. No, no, no. Something is not working here. Okay, let's try the last time. This is a very long tutorial, and unfortunately we couldn't do it with the knife. Do not understand why. Just for the sake of the things, let us see. Let us see. We are in Max, okay. Max files, game score, guns. Let us see if it is a problem of root and indexation. Open. Here it is. Okay, we don't need this, we don't need this. This is correct, this is correct. And color. Hides. Hides. Select vertex. Select all. Vertex. Delete. Okay. Watch. No. Wrist bracelet. No. Show. Unshow. Okay. As you can see, this is working well. Okay, let me export again. We are in the same directory. Okay, HUDs. Okay, binary matrix export groups. For the ones who don't know, groups is this. If you don't export groups, it will put these two things in one group, and it's difficult to change later. Okay. Oh, we have a HUD now. We have a HUD now. We have a HUD now. Okay, we have a HUD now. Maybe it will work again. No, this time. We have a HUD now. How the heck this HUD appear from nothing? Okay. Ta-da! Okay. Okay. Max just created the HUD. As you can see, this is the HUD before we change. Max created the HUD. Somehow we needed to reload the engine. I think it was that, because he created the HUD .dbo file, and as you can see, the purse here, the bracelet, it is the old file before we change it. Let us now try another thing. No, don't care. Let us try another thing. It is delete this file. Let's see how the heck, sorry, not this, how the heck happened here. Okay, Where is Steam? Steam, my friend Steam here. Steam, let's close Steam and open Steam again. And I hope it is just a problem of close and open the them program. Not them, because Max is very good indeed. Sorry, I was lost in the mayonnaise. Let us see if Max can create the HUD, because by miracle the HUD just appear. Only Max do it, unless it was when I launched the program, the converter one. Let us see. No. Okay. No, it is some problem with it is okay, I will not call it a bug, but the dev team in Max must see this, and definitely there is something here in the creation of the DBO file. Okay, because let me do this. It was what I did the last time, and maybe it will create again, or we need to relaunch GameGuru Max again. Don't know. Urban. Okay, here it is. Okay, here it is. Okay, folks. If you have problems, okay, problem solved. If you have problems, just run this Guru converter, and I think Max is not properly indexing this file to create the DBO files. Okay, I do it manually in here, and I bet my right and left hands that now it will work. Let's resume. You need to grab the stuff you have in your classic directory, just put in a folder in your Max directory, in your Max structural folders, and put everything there. Go see gun. What is the name? Gun what? What is the fucking name? Gun spec. The gun spec file, and the other files. The other files. Okay, the files who are in the entity pack. Entity folder. Okay, don't forget to use a user folder. Okay, I put weapons and Ace Turban, and here it is. Don't forget to put the correct path here, and see if you have problems with the colors. See if you have problems with these X files, and it should everything work perfectly after this tutorial. And okay, here it is. Okay, I hope, guys, I could help you. You all know me. I am in Discord. If you have any question, I will try to answer. I'm better writing at writing English than I am better to speak. Sorry, but it is working, and as you can see, my custom weapon. I ask everywhere, and all people I know, and no one could give me a straight, easy explanation, because first, maybe they don't try it yet, and second, I think people tends to complicate things. This stuff is easy. We all work with GameGuru Classic for centuries. We know the process. We are used to create weapons, and Max is the same stuff, only better. Okay, don't forget that. That's why I ask everyone and thought to myself, let me try myself, and I have sure that 100% sure that it will work, and it works. Okay, with the problems in the middle, but it is not my problem. It is a problem of the engine indexing that program. Okay, but we me, not we. I explain to you all the process here, and again, I hope I could help you all once again. Okay, bye for now.